Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 9th March 2022, let me show you the performance of 8th March 2022. So you all know what you have to do. You select the script whichever you want to trade. Then you have to go here to the indicators. Then add the indicators whichever you want to the chart. So now basically we are trading using MST iCore 2.0. So I have added it. So now come to settings and reset to reset settings. So it will be in default mode, right? So now what happened? So you can keep in 1 minute time frame or 15 minutes time frame or 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whichever you want. But we are trading using 1 minute. But all the values will be the same. The entry and exit will be the same. Since we are trading in a bank nifty, we have to give, we can keep in default also, but sometimes we miss the entry. So that is why we found another way. Here in a default settings, we missed the entry. The high made was 33,000. The second time, right? Here I will show you. Here this candle high was 32,999. That is almost 33,000. And our sell entry was at 33,010. So we missed the entry by 11 points. So we should not miss the entry. So that is why we have found another method that if we keep this 360-degree format, go here and keep 360-degree and give enter. So now you see the beauty of this 360 is exactly here sell triggered, immediately targets hit. Once again it went up to the midpoint of the entry, then all the targets hit. Okay, so this is how it works. So now since sell activated, we have to enable the sell targets. Come here, remove the first buy, enable first sell targets, first sell, yes sell. Also, if you want, you can enable second buy targets because we don't know market how it will behave, right? If it is reversing instead of giving our targets, then we have to be ready with reversing our position. So don't forget. So now is to know the top midpoint, we can enable DTP. So now see here where it is. I will take another color, black color, and I will make it somewhat thin. So here exactly sell activated, immediately next minutes itself we got our target. Once again activated, target hit. Once again activated and went up to midpoint of our sell entry, then all the targets hit. So our trading is over in just 2 minutes. Our trading is over in just 2 minutes. We got almost 2,000 rupees profit. If you want to book more profit, then also we have the option, right? Suppose say you want to achieve risk management properly. So if you are following risk management properly, then you have to follow minimum 1:2 ratio. What is 1:2 ratio? Suppose if you are taking 100 points risk, you have to book minimum 200 points profit in a single trade. In such cases, come to the settings, keep tiny SL and select the small SL, which means the targets will be double and SL will be single. So SL will be 100 points and the targets will be 200 points. See here, this is 1:2 ratio that also have been achieved. If you want 1:3 ratio, come here and enable normal targets. So in 1:3 ratio, almost 3 targets achieved. Almost 3 targets achieved, right? But don't forget, you have to keep revising your stop loss after achieving each and every target. So that you have to follow. Then let me show you about crude oil. These two we have already given in the free group in advance, so you all can watch it We have shared the link also. So in crude oil, what happened? So in crude oil, we should not keep 360. Don't forget, we should keep default settings only. So come here and check. So yesterday what happened? It is loading. Otherwise, let me change 15 minutes. It is taking some time. No issue. So I hope everyone has understood our strategy. It is very simple. If there will be 4 lines that we are trading with, right? These are the 4 lines. If first buy activated, there is no sell until the SL hit. If sell activated, there is no buy until the SL hit. So this is the small strategy. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. Okay. Now our our signals got generated. So now what you have to do? Market has opened here. If it is coming down here first, we will be buying. If it is going there first, we will be selling. Okay. So what happened? I will zoom and show you. You all please witness yourself. So initially, buy only, sell only got activated. Here, see here, sell only exactly got activated. All the 2 targets hit immediately. Then once again went up to our sell entry. Then all the targets achieved. And see here, exactly our buy entry also got activated. And it went up to sell entry. The SL was safe. SL was 5501 and the high made was, I show you here, in this candle high made was 9499. So in 2 points our SL was safe. Again, once again, all our targets hit. Again, it went to second buy and all the targets hit in the second buy also. Once again, it has taken the support from the second buy here. So here it has taken once again buy entry from here and all the targets achieved. In fact, it has given very good profit also. So here up to there it has reached. Once again sell activated, targets hit. Once again buy activated, targets hit. So what I can suggest, you can use tiny SL or if it is more volatile, you can use small SL or normal SL also. It depends on you. But as per strategy, if you are not a risk taker, only one trade per trade, only one trade per day. So hope it is clear. Both I have not shown you the targets, right? Okay, now I show you the targets also. So sell activated, all 3 targets done. Then if you want, you can extend the targets. Like I said, 1:2, 1:3. So come here, enable the 1:2. So 1:2 also all targets achieved. Then you can select normal targets. So in 1:3 also exactly all the targets have been achieved. So whenever there is a black line, it is possible for the reversal and it is where our buy entry also there. So there also you could have taken the entry. Clear? So both crude oil and bank nifty, we have got a wonderful profit today. Thank you all for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please ask us. And people who have subscribed our indicator, please change different options and do back testing. If you don't understand anything, please just keep in default settings and trade. Okay. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and join our Telegram group also for the free updates. Wish you all a happy, profitable trade ahead. Bye bye.